Fourth Shadow, Part 2. Police searched the woods for days. No bodies. No blood. No answers. The only thing they found was James' flashlight, still lying on the forest floor. It was still on. The batteries should have been dead days ago. When one of the officers picked it up, the beam pointed between the trees. For just a second, three figures stood there. James, Camden, Andre. They weren't moving. They weren't calling for help. They were just staring. The officer blinked. They were gone. The case was eventually closed, and the lookout tower was torn down. People thought the nightmare was over. They were wrong. Months later, a group of hikers passed through the same forest. One of them found an old Polaroid camera buried beneath the leaves. Inside was a single photograph. It showed James, Camden, and Andre standing in front of the tower the night they disappeared. But someone else was in the picture. A tall figure with no face stood behind them. One hiker laughed. "There are only 4 people in this photo." Another looked closer. "No, there are 5. The faceless figure had wrapped one long arm around someone standing just outside the flashlight's glow. Someone no one had noticed before. Someone whose face looked exactly like the person holding the photo. The hikers dropped the picture and ran. When they reached the parking lot, every car was still there. Except one. Theirs. In its place sat an old pickup truck with its engine running. The same truck James, Camden, and Andre had disappeared in. The passenger doors slowly creaked open. A whisper drifted from the darkness inside. "We're still waiting for one more."